Are you encountering connection timeout error on Play Store and Android? Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio. And if you're frequently getting the connection timeout, try again error on the Play Store on any Android device, then don't worry. Here in this video I'll show you the easiest way of how you can fix the problem. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Listen, now to fix the problem, before you do anything, make sure you have a stable internet connection on your device. You can switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data to Wi-Fi and see if that fixes your problem or not. If the problem persists, all you have to do is just need to open up the Play Store once again from a device. And from this page, you just need to tap on your profile at the top right and then tap on settings. Now from here, you just need to expand the about section and then scroll down and you'll get to see the Play Store version and tap on update Play Store. And if you found any pending update, and then go ahead and update your Play Store to the latest version and see if that fixes your problem or not. But after doing this process, if you still have the problem, just get back from here and open up the settings app from a device and then scroll down and find out the apps section. Go ahead and tap on apps and tap on manage apps. And from here, just need to tap on this three-dot line at the top right and tap on show all apps. And from the search bar, you just need to search with the Google Play service. And once you search for it, he'll get us the Google Play service. You just need to tap on this one and scroll down, tap on clear data and tap on clear cache, tap on OK and tap on force stop at the bottom left right here, tap on OK, and you just need to tap on manage space again right over here and tap on clear data, tap delete, and the Play Store services will be restarted. And you just need to go to the settings again, and then you just need to scroll down and tap on the app section again and tap on manage apps. And from here, you need to search for Google Play Store now. Simply go and tap on Google Play Store, and you just need to do the same step for the Play Store as well. I'm going to go ahead and tap on clear data, clear cache, and then OK. And I'm going to force stop this one. It's already force stopped. So I'm going to tap on clear all data, tap clear all data. Now pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and reboot your phone once. And once you have restarted your device, most likely the problem is going to be solved. If I open up the Play Store, I'll get to see my problem has been fixed. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.